Hello YouTube. Got my Thumb Grapple yesterday. Box is all torn to pieces because it rained before I got home. But this is it right here. It's called the Thumb. This is what comes in the box. They have some shrink wrap around it, shrink wrap around the two ends. And so you would get the little pin here, a clip, and this you can bolt it on through these bolt holes here, or you can weld it on. And it comes with the Dalton hydraulic cylinder. And this little package here has a restrictor. If it moves too fast, you can put a restrictor in there to slow things down. And so we're gonna get that hooked up to the tractor, putting it on a B2650HSD. And so I'm gonna go out here and see about where I'm gonna place this measurements on there. Get it halfway and mark it. Some people put another piece on it, but and I thought about getting a support welded on there, but too hard to find a welder around here, so I'm not gonna fool with it. Here's the bolts. I think this is gonna be smart. Have to get it out here in the middle maybe, where we can get to the bolts. That's gonna be the hard part. That's where it may take somebody to weld a plate with the nuts on the back, because I don't know if I can get to all the bolts on here from the back side. But that's what it's going to be when we get finished. It'll be a Kubota B2650 with cab. And that's the pieces that come for a reasonable price. And you have to get your own fittings and get your own hoses. And so we'll go down to the hydraulic shop tomorrow, see if they can make me some hoses once I get it mounted.